In this episode I will do a last attempt to read out the baked TK50 tape. Hello viewers, welcome back to another episode, and this time is again a tape episode, so it's the third tape video in a row, and I think it will be the last episode on recovering old tapes for the next time. It will be not the last tape episode forever, but yeah, after that video I will make some other topics. And you can see here in front of me the tape. This is a tape where the recovery failed the last time, so after a while there was an error with the tape drive. And under my tape videos, the last two tape videos, there were a lot of comments, and I really appreciate it, because there's a nice discussion under the videos with a lot of tips you gave me. So it's really interesting to learn from your comments while recovering my tapes. And here are the two tape drives I've used the last time, and there's also a third one. And now I will clean the two tape drives, and this one I don't use. That one I didn't really know if this tape drive is working or not, but these two tape drives should work. And this tape drive here is labeled in German, and the other one are labeled in English. And another interesting difference is here there is no metal cover over the head, so this is the head of the tape drive, and yeah, these two tape drives have this metal cover. And I will clean the two tape drives here, because you wrote that the reading from the tape, when I read the tape, the head gets dirty. So the coating is, I think the coating is removed from the tape, and then it's on the tape. So this is the reason why I will clean it now in that video. There was also mentioned that it's only possible to do it once, but in other documentations it's written that you have to clean the tape several times while reading. So maybe it's working, maybe it's not working. We will see that in the video. Another thing I've recognized when I saw the last video is that Germans cannot pronounce the TH. So there is a lot of German pronunciation when I speak words like the or the. That is a completely other thing. So let's clean the tape drive, and I will first clean the tape drive here on the left. I've tried this video head cleaner, but this is for VCR. But with the video head cleaner it won't work. So maybe the way it's dirty, it's not working with that cleaner, so I will use isopropyl as well. And here on top you see also the logic board and part of the primary part of the VEX 4300 power supply. So I'm still working on that. You'll find a video on the second channel, and you will think we'll make another video. So this is one thing I'm working as well on. So I hope that the VEX 4300 will be running again soon. First let's open the tape drive. And this is just removing 4 screws here on the top. Let's put the tape away. And then you can remove the board just to the top. So this is the logic board of the tape drive, and then you can see here the tape drive. So here's the tape, there is the head, and then you can remove this metal cover here, and that is the head. I will show you the head in the macro. So this is the head, and this is something which is on the other side. We don't know what this thing does, and the head can move up and down. So this is not fixed. There is, I think it's a motor or it's magnetic, I really don't know, but the head is moving up and down during the readout process. And now I will remove this part. Here's a screw, you can remove that, and then I will clean the head. So let's remove the screw. And then you can see the head and this counterpart here. And then this is the part which is responsible for when they put the in the tape. There you can see the head, and you can't see my finger for the yet now you can see the head. I do not really know if this is dirty or not, so I cannot see. I cannot see much dirt, but yeah, I will clean it with other propanol. So let's. Use a lot of it. So there's a bit of dirt is on it, but not a lot. But yeah, use more alcohol. Okay, so there is dirt. You know, now I see it. So let's wait until the alcohol evaporates, and let's open the other tape drive just to see how the head looks on that tape drive. Maybe we will see a difference. And you can see the difference. So this is the not in focus. So this is the cleaned head. Now we'll show you the other head. And this is a dirty head. So you can see all the dirt over here. So let's clean this one as well. To clean this part over here, but they are clean. Okay, and also the tape is the tape is clean as well. So this is okay. And let's switch back to the other tape drive. So I have now, I hope, it's dry now, and at the end I will use a bit of this video head cleaner just to remove all the remaining dirt. Now it's a bit dirt still outside. But this is not based on alcohol, it's something else inside. It smells completely different. It smells a bit like this stuff where you clean PCBs with. Also, it smells a bit like a PCB cleaner. It's also the same company, which makes also my PCB cleaner. So, yeah, I will dry it, and after that I will do it also on the other tape drive. This one here. And then after that I will dry. First all the stuff will dry first. I think this will take some time, and after that I will put everything back together and we'll build it in the external SCSI chassis I've used the last time and connect it to the Backstation 4000 VLC. And after that I will do another reading tryout. It's not completely clean, so when you can see it, that's the focus. There is still a bit dirt on the head, but I'm not able to remove it. I hope that this dirt doesn't matter. Yeah, but we will see. So I will dry it and put it all together, and after that we will see you back when it's all connected on the Backstation 4000 VLC. So now the machine is running. Here is the Backstation 4000 VLC. Here we can see a terminal. I've already entered the mounting command. Here is the previously cleaned TZ30, and here is the tape. So let's insert the tape. Tape is loaded, and let's try to mount it. And this tape drive is working. And the tape is mounted. You can see it here. I will cover the volume name, but it's possible to mount it again. So also I've read out some data 2 weeks ago, or 1.5 weeks ago. I'm able to mount it again. So now I will try to copy the data from that tape again. Yes, it won't work. There were a parity error. So I've dismounted it, and after that I will check the tape drive and see if the tape drive became dirty again or not. I've looked up into the device and tried to clean it again, but there wasn't much dirt inside, so I think this is an issue of the tape, and I will try to the OpenFMS gets stuck on some parts of the tape, and now I will try to enter a command in OpenVMS. It's just ignoring that error on the tape. So let's do another try. I tried out several things, and you can see it's not possible to read the tape at a certain point of the tape. There is, I think, is a structural damage where the tape drive gets stuck and tries to read the tape again and again. Or try to read a part of the tape again and again. It's not able to read what's behind that part. So I've tried different backups and copy commands. So here I've consulted the manuals. Here is the copy manual, here is the mounting manual and the backup manual, but I wasn't able to find any command to skip the parity error that appears during the backup command or the copy command. After that I've read out a dump of the tape, and you can see here is the data, and the next block, the blocks after block 73, there are starting the parity errors, and it's not possible to read anything behind that block. and the amount of the data of the dump is nearly the amount of data I was able to read out in the last video. So this is the only data I'm able to get from that tape. So yeah, now I'm finished with all my attempts to read out that tape. So more data it's not possible to read out than I've read out the last time, but it's possible to read out big tapes several times, so I am able to read the tape to this point every time I put the tape into the tape drive again and again, so this is possible. There's no issue with that point. Yeah, and I will finish now the tape work on my tapes now for on that tapes, but these are not my tapes, and never mentioned that, but this is a paid job, so I will write an invoice for the readout. So someone asked me, and they said, they can also pay me. So this is the reason why I've spent a lot of time to try to read out these tapes. But now this is the end, and this is also the end of the episode. Yeah, I will do some other stuff soon. There's really a lot of mess here, a lot of electronic stuff to do, and bring the VEX back to life, and the expander, and all the other stuff. And this is a thing I will do in the future, but I hope you found that interesting, and you can leave comments down below, and see you the next time.